Automatic doors we can see anywhere in our daily lives. As they deeply permeate our society, almost without our realizing it, they add more convenience to our lives and are widely used in various industrial areas. However, automatic doors we are currently using sometimes cause safety accidents, such as collision and getting caught due to malfunction of detection sensors and safety devices and blind spots that sensors cannot detect. The number of such accidents has been increasing continuously. COAD provides various types of automatic door satisfying the needs of customers, including high-speed doors, overhead doors, automatic garage doors, and automatic glass doors. First, the high-speed door. Being perfectly sealed, it is suitable at industrial condition having frequent entry. The thickness of the sheet applied to the high-speed door is 2T, unlike 1T of previous products, so it endures deformation of fabric and is stable in strong wind. Prevent to be distorted by 2T sheet. If a forklift collides with the automatic door while moving, the spring holds the tooth fixed on the sheet so it stretches together with a slowly applied force by absorbing the impact. The sheet is detached only for momentary shock over a certain level. The elasticity of the tooth developed with the know-how of COAD has perfected ensures detachment restoration of the automatic door that bursts only for momentary shock without being deflated. Second, storage-type overhead door. This automatic door applies the chain operation method, so it opens and closes very quickly and is excellent in space efficiency and saves maintenance costs. Compared to this product, other overhead doors apply an operation system using a wire, so problems occur frequently due to detachment of the wire while operating. What's more, they have space constraints as the ceiling is blocked as big as the size of the door. The speed of opening is 3 times faster than pre-existing model, possible to install the limited space because of stacking the panel. Third, garage overhead door. When a vehicle enters, garage overhead doors connect with various sensors which are ultrasonic sensor, loop sensor, warning light, and so on. A company placing itself in the customer's shoes and insisting on customer satisfaction and safety. Open up world. COAD.